Alright, so we are going to make homemade flaky biscuits. I got this recipe from a friend of mine. His wife makes it all the time, loves it. So, first of all, we want to make sure we preheat the oven to 450 degrees. Then, we're going to take into our large mixing bowl, or any large bowl if you want to do it by hand. We're going to put in the flour, baking powder, sugar, salt, cream of tartar. So we're going to do 3 cups of flour. One tablespoon of baking powder. One tablespoon of sugar. One teaspoon of salt. One teaspoon of cream of tartar. So now we're going to put in the butter. In there. So now we're going to make a well in the flour mixture. Make a little hole here. We're going to do 1 cup of milk. Alright, so we're going to stir all this until it's all moistened, as my friend had put it. This is the attachment that I'm going to use. Oh, it's just not getting too crazy yet. So now I'm going to take it out and mix it, knead it. It's just not going too crazy with it, because you don't want your biscuits getting all like floury tasted. So I'm going to use just a cup to cut the biscuits. But you can use a cookie cutter, you can use any type of cutter you want. Alright, so we're going to need a little bit more flour here. Alright. So we're going to roll this out to where it's about 1/2 inch thick. thicker biscuits that roll out less. You want thinner biscuits that roll out more. Let's see, that's good. Also, too, have a pan cookie sheet set up already. I put a little bit of olive oil on it, any type of oil, and wipe it down with a towel or rag. Do this to kind of, I don't know, I think it helps to prevent the biscuits from sticking to the sheet. Alright, I'll cook this later. I ran out of room. Alright, so we're going to take this and stick it into the oven, 450 degrees, for 10 to 14 minutes. Alright, there you have it. If you like it, subscribe, and also too, if you want to learn how to make gravy, click on the link after this.